Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see 10 lines on unity in diversity. Unity in diversity means people are different but live together happily. We have different languages, cultures, and traditions, but we all belong to the same world. Some people wear different clothes while others celebrate different festivals. In a diverse world, we learn from each other's differences. Unity in diversity helps us understand and respect everyone. Just like different colors make a beautiful rainbow, our differences make the world beautiful. By working together, we can solve problems and make the world a better place. Diversity makes life interesting because we all bring something special. We should always celebrate our differences and work as one. Unity in diversity teaches us to love and respect everyone no matter how different they are. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.